This is theoretically the most effective way to destroy the entire universe. Merely a single God particle is enough to trigger the ultimate cosmic catastrophe known as vacuum decay. To figure out how the universe could be annihilated, we need to grasp two fundamental physical principles. The first one is energy level, which stands as a core concept in physics. It is similar to the energy levels of electrons. The higher the energy level, the greater the energy it carries. The second principle is stability. All substances and matters in the universe tend to evolve toward a more stable state. And they remain safest and most steady only when staying in the ground state. For instance, a small ball resting on the mountaintop possesses tremendous gravitational potential energy. Once it gets disturbed, it will roll down into the valley, shedding its potential energy and settling into the stable ground state. This rule applies even more prominently in the field of quantum mechanics. Quantum particles in excited states will transit from high energy levels to lower ones, as they all strive to stay at the lowest possible energy state. We define the space we inhabit as the true vacuum state. By contrast, space that remains in an excited state is called the false vacuum state, which is likely a metastable state of the Higgs field. The Higgs field undertakes the task of endowing elementary particles with mass, and governs the interaction rules of nearly all particles in existence. What consequences will arise if the Higgs field stays in the false vacuum state? If we compare Higgs bosons to the small ball mentioned before, we will find that this ordinary valley is not the lowest energy state of the Higgs field. There may well exist an even deeper energy valley unseen by us. In such circumstances, Higgs bosons will hold far greater latent potential energy. They can release this massive potential energy through the quantum tunneling effect. When Higgs bosons plunge toward lower energy levels, an enormous amount of potential energy will be unleashed instantly. This powerful energy propels the surrounding space to break through the energy barrier, triggering the release of vast quantities of additional energy, and gradually forming an expanding sphere of brand new true vacuum state. This terrifying process is exactly vacuum decay. It expands outward in all directions at the speed of light without pause. Everything that comes into contact with this expanding vacuum sphere will vanish completely in an instant. And this destructive expansion will continue endlessly. In the end, the whole universe will be thoroughly destroyed and erased. Meanwhile, the overall energy level of the Higgs field will undergo a thorough transformation. All established physical laws that human beings have mastered will be completely overthrown and replaced by brand new unknown physical rules beyond our current cognition.